counted as worthy, so let's be worthy. Oh my soul, your name is written in the book of life. Keep walking in dominion and His mind. You serve the Son, you serve the one who worked for you become, and you are worthy, and you are worthy. Go ahead, encourage yourself. Look inside and draw from the well. The water flows, and heaven knows that you can't make it on your own. You said you're worthy, so let's be worthy. And oh my soul, you have not been left alone. For He counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Just trust and know you're strong enough to carry on. You counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Yeah. Oh my soul, so a man thinketh, so does he believe. Faith is not about what you see. It doesn't matter how you feel. His word is right, His love is real. He said you're worthy, so let's be worthy. Don't worry, be happy and just say, Elijah's gonna lead me all the way. Speak with authority and see that even your words are victory. So say you're worthy, say you're worthy. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son's life, so that 2 millennium later we can go walking in that light. So that nothing and no one can separate us from that light. Let's be worthy, let's be worthy. My soul, you have not been left alone. He counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Oh, trust and know, strong enough to carry on. Oh yeah, counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Oh, winds of glory, sing a song of praise, sing a song of songs. This is worthy, His name is worthy. We know He is sound of praise. Sing to the Holy, sing
Tuo kasvasmaa, tuo puhua. Mutta eläin mä hoitin